Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security, and what we got today here is a BMW X1 2016. And what we've done is we fully integrated onto the factory system Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now this can be done fully wireless or wired. You got two options, and also you also can do full phone mirroring as well. So as you can see, we have not changed any of the factory original system. It's all intact, and you got your iDrive system there, which you can still use as normal. So the way you switch to our system is by pressing and hold the menu button. This will switch to the aftermarket integration kit we've installed, and this is the screen you'll be greeted with first. And this allows you to choose CarPlay, Android Auto, you go USB, and you also go SD card. So if you've got stuff on USB or a card, you can put it into the system as well. Yeah, so you can choose CarPlay here. We got the CarPlay iPhone connected. So as you can see, that's full CarPlay there. So as you can see as well, there's no wires, it's fully wireless, it's all running on this phone, there's no wires going into the system. So yeah, this can be done fully wireless, wired if you do wish to do the wired as well. Yeah, this gives you full access. You can use your factory iDrive controller, so you can use that to navigate the system as normal. So you've got many options you can choose from as well. So if you got your maps, you get your maps come up on here. As you can see, the maps is loading now. So yeah, you got full maps, and you can get full control on it as well to use it. Yeah, so that's the CarPlay system there, and obviously you can always switch back to the factory system by pressing and holding the menu button, and that switches back to the factory system.